You might have heard na nag-release na nga or nag-launch ng panibagong lip product ang Sunnies Face called the Lip Dip. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi. At kung bago kayo dito sa aking channel, don't forget to get subscribed or get notified by clicking the bell button below para kayo ang makakaalam kung meron akong mga bagong videos. At dumako na nga tayo sa ating pag-uusapan at ito ang pinakabago from Sunnies Face. And as what I've mentioned earlier, ito yung tinatawag nila na lip dip. Now, this is PR sent, pinadala sa akin ngayon. Actually, as we speak, ngayon sila nag-launch sa kanilang Instagram page. At so, ang launch date niya is July 25th and it retails 345 pesos. Magiging available siya sa Lazada at sa mga physical stores. Yung dates, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below. So, I have here the complete 9 shades. At excited akong ipakita sa inyo yung 9 shades na ito. So, here you go. Ngayon naman pag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung konsepto ng lip dip. Based on Sunnies Face, this is a whipped matte lip cream. So pag sinabing whipped, nandiyan yung mousse finish. And pag sinabi naman natin mousse finish, ang ine-expect natin, this will give you that lightweight feel. Basically, they claim to give you that lips but better look. Tapos parang soft, blurred lips. Which, I have to say, true naman. Kasi itong nasa labi ko ngayon, it is a combination of 3 shades. Ito yung Fembot. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Fembot? Parang baklang-bakla na. Fembot. Baka naman ganon. Siyempre sila Georgina yan, no? At saka sila ano. So, pag ganyan, pag Sunnies, ang pronunciation dyan, Fembot. Ganon lang. Tapos, dinagdagan ko rin ng Posh. At saka, itong Coco. So, ang ginawa ko lang is, overall, nilagyan ko muna ng Fembot. Tapos, Posh naman doon sa inner circle or doon sa, dito sa gitna ng aking labi. Pero I thought na parang, okay, hindi pa siya deep enough para maging gradient, para maging, alam mo yun, magkaroon ng effect na parang talagang blurred lips. So, nagdagdag naman ako ng Coco sa gitna since deeper ang shade ng Coco. So, basically, ganun lang. At ang ginawa ko ay, daliri lang, finger application, which i-explain ko kung bakit finger application yung ginawa ko. Meron siyang net weight na 3.5 grams and yung overall appearance naman niya in design niya, maganda rin. Very cohesive naman sa design ng previous product na nilaunch nila, which is Air Blush. So basically, ang design ng Air Blush, di ba ganito? So ito namang lip dip, parang, same vibe. Kung ano yung kulay ng product sa loob or kung ano yung shade niya, makikita mo na sa packaging mismo. Tapos, minimalist pa din, which is nice din kasi malinis siya tignan. Pero, pagdating naman dito sa lip dip, meron akong napansin kapareho niya or very, very similar, which is 3CE's Style Nanda Velvet Lip Tint. And isa side by side ko, yung parang pinakamalapit na shade, ayan ito yung dalawang peach, at ito naman yung medyo pinkish ang dating. So, yung mas maliit, ayan yung Sunnies na lip dip and yung mataas, makikita nyo naman yung logo, ayan yung 3CE. The applicator is a doe foot applicator which is common. However, sa ikli niya, tapos sa liit nung tip, medyo nahirapan akong i-apply na parang i-glide siya ng mabilisan on my lips. So, parang it took me quite some time to apply it all over my lips. So, I think the best suggestion na maibibigay ko dito is yung applicator, mas maganda kung bendable para mas madali siyang i-apply on the lips. Now, let's talk about what's inside. Pagdating sa shade choices, I have to say, okay naman. Maganda na meron silang peach, may pinks, may reds, tapos may mga browns, may hint of browns, may mauve, tapos maganda rin na meron silang from lightest shade down to the deepest shade. So para nako-cover nila lahat ng skin shade nating mga Pilipina or nating Asians. So merong babagay sa mestiza, meron din namang babagay sa morena. Lahat naman sila, paano ko ba sasabihin? Lahat naman sila feeling ko babagay naman sa ating cuties. May mga shades na bright, pero hindi naman sobrang dami. Hindi naman like overly parang off yung pagka-bright. So I feel like okay naman siya sa kahit anong skin shade and sa kahit anong okasyon. Yung color payoff niya, okay naman din. Kung ano yung kulay na makikita mo sa loob, ganoon din naman siya lalabas. However, since formulated siya to parang blur your lips, kapag kiniskis mo siya, pag blend mo yung product, sobrang magla-lighten siya. Parang hindi siya magiging opaque, definitely. So it will give you that tint of color lang. It's not going to cover your lips. So kung meron kayong itatagong kulay, kung gusto nyong, let's say, may darkness kayo sa outline, I suggest na mag-lip liner kayo dahil hindi niya totally mako-cover. Yung mga deeper shades, yon medyo pwede pa, pero it's not as opaque. And I will explain again the formula later pag dumako na tayo sa formula. The blendability naman, it's also blendable in a way, pero you can really feel the mousse effect of it. And this is where 3CE comes in. Dahil kung meron na kayong 3CE, expect na kung ano yung feel niya, ganun na ganun. Yung blendability, ganun na ganun, na may konting lamang ang 3CE. As in, konting-konti. Kasi yung payoff nitong itong lip dip, hindi siya totally pantay agad in one application. So, kung gusto mo talagang magpantay siya, you better use your finger to apply the product on your lips or multiple glides para lang mas magpantay siya. Kasi you would see na parang unevenness. Kasi nga, yung formula niya ganun, sobrang dulas. Yung finish niya, it's velvet. Parang powder matte, parang yung pang-blotted lips, yung effect, ganun. Yung texture, it's smooth naman. Hindi naman siya parang patchy or yung mabilis tumitigas, unlike yung mga matte lipsticks na mas may texture na binibigay or the liquid lipsticks. So this type of liquid lip or parang lip cream product, it's very smooth and it's very easy to glide on. Tapos, yung comfort naman niya, I have to say it's lightweight. Pero magiging lightweight lang siya kung sobrang nipis ng application mo. Parang kung daliri ang gagamitin mo, lightweight siya. Kasi hindi siya gaano magpapile ng product, diba? Kasi tuwing gaganunin mo ng daliri mo, yung daliri mo naman nakukuha din niya yung excess product. So, pag ganon, it's very lightweight. And then if you blot it with tissue, yon, nandoon yung lightweight feel niya. Pero, kung mag-a-apply kayo using the applicator and then you will layer maybe 2 to 3 layers on your lips, you will definitely feel that there's something on your lips. And that I cannot consider it to be very lightweight dahil nararamdaman mo talaga na may labi. For sure may labi ka, diba? Pero mararamdaman mo talaga na may something na sa labi mo. Although sheer to medium ang kanyang coverage, no, buildable naman siya, which is good. Tapos kanina, nung tinatanggal ko siya sa labi ko using a makeup wipe, hindi naman siya madaling matanggal. Which is also good kasi nag-iwan siya, nagsistain siya ng color kahit papano. Although hindi siya yung ganong klaseng stain na makukuha mo from a lip tint, of course. But at least, diba, nag-iwan siya ng kulay, which makes me think, gaano ba katagal ito magsistay sa labi? If you apply this with the applicator without blotting it, definitely mag-transfer siya. So ito, daliri ang ginamit ko kanina na may blotting na kasama ng konti. And ito yung parang transferability niya. Meron siyang konti manipis na transfer. It's not bad. Parang ganun nga. Parang blotted lang effect. Yan. Susubukan kong ikain ito. Dahil bilang dinner time na rin naman, kukuha ko ng ulam na masabaw, malangis para makita ko talaga kung gaano siya magtatagal sa labi. Here's the word test. Ang ulam ngayon, ito papaitang baka. Ito naman sinigang na baboy. Rice lang and water. Sobrang malangis na to kasi baka to. Tinan nyo naman, kita-kita nyo naman, di ba? Sobrang matitest to. Let's eat!
And ito yung itsura niya. Pagtapos kumain, intact pa rin naman. I'll give you a close-up nung sinasabi kong parang napakanipis lang niya. Ayun siya. Parang blotted lips. Kaya kahit kumain kayo, bilang ang effect naman niya ay parang naburang lipstick lang, ganyan na siya talaga. But good. Kahit pa parang nagsustain yung kulay.
Pros and cons. Cons, yung applicator niya. Kasi para lang ma-explain ko na maayos, no? Diba, yung applicator, yung doe foot applicator, may side kung saan siya dapat. Parang yung kung anong nakapaloob, yung nakaslant yun yung pang-apply mo, diba? Pagdating dito sa lower lip, okay lang. Pagdating dito sa taas, pag ganyan, hindi niya maabot yung buong labi. Parang, okay, first half muna sa taas, tapos kailangan mong i-tilt ng ganyan, ikot mong ganyan para naman dun sa ilalim. So, parang, alam mo yun, hindi siya like totally a big deal, pero it could be better. And then, the formula naman, it's not drying, yes, pero it's also not moisturizing in a way. Because kung moisturizing siya, let's say like a lip balm, kung meron mga dry patches, sana na ano niya, parang hindi as dry tignan. Pero ako kasi, kanina may mga dry skin dito, may mga dead skin, hindi siya napalambot, hindi siya worsen, hindi naman din siya kumapit doon sa dry patches or doon sa dry skin, pero hindi rin naman siya napalambot. So, yun yung, it's not drying, pero hindi rin naman siya moisturizing in a way. So, maganda yan talagang mag-exfoliate ng labi, make sure na wala talagang dry skin, dead skin, because since hindi nga siya totally opaque, may pagka-translucent pa siya, may pagka-sheer ang coverage niya, makikita talaga yung mga ganong chapness ng labi, yung mga dry skin. So, I really suggest scrub. The creases ng labi, since hindi nga siya ganun moisturizing, na ano siya, na emphasize siya. Ayun o. Again, hindi siya drying, pero hindi niya na-blur yung lines. May blurring effect yung kulay, pero the texture of your lips, hindi siya like really blurred. In fact, parang mas lumabas pa yung lines ng aking labi. So, in a way, I don't know, it's not really drying, but in a way, it like, it's not drying, but it's also not moisturizing. I think that's the best way to say it. Pagdating naman sa pros, the price point is really good for its quality because, once again, it's very, very similar. If not, it's like the same. Very similar sa 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. So, kung ang presyo nito ay umaabot sa 700 ba? 700 to 1,000 ba yun? Asa may mga kapareho nito? Ayan. So, sa price point niya na medyo malaki, parang kalahati, di ba? Pero it performs exactly the same. I will go for Sunnies. Mousse type, it is mousse type, velvety, and then the shade choices also good. It's a good range of shades, na hanggang 9 shades siya, so it's also good. And then the overall look is really nice as well. Personally speaking, hindi ito like the best lip product for me. Parang kung gusto ko ng blotted lips, I'd go for like a lipstick, and then I'll just use my finger to just blot it. Alam mo, yung ganung feel. And I will get like a nicer control. Kung gusto ko ng sheer, then it's gonna be very sheer. Pag gusto ko like super opaque, then it's gonna be super opaque. Kasi itong lip product na to, parang it's not that flexible. It's gonna stay as parang blotted lips lang. Which I think is the whole point. Pero, alam mo yun, parang pagdating sa labi, yung dating niya kasi is para talagang nag-lipstick ka lang ng nilighten mo lang. I'll give you an example using their Fluff Matte. Ito yung Sunnies Fluff Matte in the shade Decay. So, ang gagawin ko ay ilalagay ko siya dito. And then, I will then again use my finger and just blot my lips. Pat it lightly. Ito naman yung effect ng blotted Fluff Matte. Ang difference lang niya is since sobrang matte ng formula nitong Fluff Matte, so mas ma-feel mo lang na parang mas drying na siya. Compared to the lip dip, ganito yung effect niya pagdating sa kulay, pero just less drying. To conclude this, mai-recommend ko ba ito sa inyo? The answer is yes kung naghahanap kayo ng product na magbibigay ng flush of color sa labi ninyo or parang tint of color apart from the usual gel tint. Marami kayo pagpipili ang shades. Maganda siya sa labi, okay naman siya sa labi, comfortable naman siya sa labi kahit paano. At kung nagustuhan ninyo yung 3CE na Velvet Lip Tint, definitely mas magugustuhan niyo ito dahil half lang siya ng presyo. Tapos, it will deliver the same effect. And also, actually, the main conclusion sa akin ngayong araw na ito, mas gusto ko siya as blush product. I have 3 favorite shades. Ito yun. Yung Fembot, yung Posh, at saka itong Cocoa. And Posh yung pinaka-paborito ko, which is on my lips right now. At ito yung ginamit ko as blush as well. And I have to say, mas gusto ko siyang blush compared doon sa air blush. It also gives you the same effect na parang blurred out lang, manipis lang, as long as you blend it with your fingers, as long as you apply it with your fingers. And it has more like staining power than air blush. So, if ang problema mo sa air blush is hindi siya nagtatagal, then you might want to try this out because who knows, mas magtagal siya sa inyong pisngi. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review, this first impressions, swatches, and demonstration of the newest from Sunnies Face, their lip dip. And if you have any comments or if you want to share your thoughts, kung ano ba mga nagustuhan ninyo, kung ano ba yung pakiramdam ninyo, emotions ninyo, let me know in the comment section below. You may also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or at Raiza Contawi. Don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. And I will again place some missed details or information sa description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!